Hello guys, how are you today? Again, I'm back with another wonderful tutorial about web server, especially XAMPP package. Sometimes in XAMPP package, when you want to start XAMPP package, you see this error. I start Apache. When I try to start, it show me a Apache shutdown unexpectedly. This may be due to block port. Okay, blocked port. So at this time I wanna teach you how to fix block port in XAMPP. When this error appear for you, that means one of the port number, maybe port 18 for HTTP or port for example 443 for HTTPS is used by another software you install. This error appears when your XAMPP is stopped and you install another software such as a VMware workstation I installed, and that software you installed use one of your XAMPP port. You see port 443 is used by VMware workstation. Okay, till now we understand which software use this port. So we open VMware, go to Edit, Preference. Here is Shared VMS, Change Setting, HTTPS 443. So I want to change it, Disable Sharing, and I click on Disable Sharing and change this port to another. Okay, and okay, this one. So again, I try to start XAMPP, start. Okay, it's great. And my XAMPP is start. And there is any error when I wanna run my VMware workstation. Thank you very much for your time. Please, if you like my channel, subscribe me. Be sure your subscribe is really important and it encourage me to creating another video. I hope see you soon.